So, hello everyone, welcome back again to Cyber War Lab, where you get to learn about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and much more. So, in our last session, we show you demonstration of DVWA, where we taught you little bit about web application attack. But I've seen that there are still lots of people who are facing issues while installing the DVWA. So, one option we already gave you that you can just come over here on cyberwarlab.blog.com where you will get an easy to use method. Just you have to follow this method and you will easily able to install the DVWA, which is a damn vulnerable web application where you can practice your web application penetration testing. So if you're a Windows user, you can simply use this method to download, or if you want to install in a very easy way, what you can do, just install Kali Linux or the Parrot machine, whatever you like, open your terminal, and then you have to just write this command sudo docker run -d -name, then dvwa, then the port we need to specify the 8080 and the vulnerables directory, which is web dvwa. Now before running this command, make sure docker should be already there. Okay, so to install docker, you can just simply run the command sudo apt install docker -y io. But now I've already installed the docker, so I don't need to do anything. I'll simply run this command. Let's put the password. Right now it's saying unable to find the image for the vulnerables web DVWA latest locally. Now what it will do, it will automatically pull all the files whatever it requires to run the DVWA. So we'll wait for a few seconds until it gets done. Because once you're done with this command, you don't need to do anything. Everything will be installed in your system, and you have to just go on your browser, open the localhost, and you have to just simply click on the create database and it will work. Right now in my case, my internet speed is little bit slow, that's why it's taking some time. But in your case, if you have if you have a good internet speed, it will take a couple of seconds to download everything. Okay, so right now download is complete. Now it's pulling all the files. Okay, so here you can see downloaded newer image for vulnerable DVWA latest. So right now we have a DVWA. Next step is I'll simply go to my browser and then I'll simply type http, and then or simply if I'll type this also localhost. So here you can see we have a DVWA, username is admin and password is password. And now if I just scroll it down, you can see there is an option to create a database. I'll simply click on this, and now you can see database been successfully created, setup was done, please log in. We'll log in, same username password admin and password is password. Here we go, and done. Now what you can do, you can just come over here. If you are a beginner, just select the security level to low. If you are already intermediate knowledge you have, you can go with the medium, select medium, submit, that's it. You can see the security level is medium right now. If you are beginner, you can just go on the low and you can perform all the attacks over here. And don't worry, in this session we are going to teach you everything like file uploading, file inclusion, insecure SQL injection attacks, types of SQL injection like blind, time-based errors, then XSS, everything you're going to learn. So hope you like this video, hope you learn something, and it is a very easy to use. So we'll meet in another video with something else. Thank you, have a great day.